Hi, hello everybody, and welcome back to I Am Cat. Welcome back to I Am Cat. And Granny's already sleeping. While we wait for her to wake up, I'm gonna tell you about today's video. No. No, you don't do that yet. Not yet, you don't do that yet. So in today's video, we're gonna log on to Granny's computer. And if anybody doesn't know how to get these nice golden claws, you go over to that TV over there. That TV right here. And you press rate us. And you rate the game and you get the golden claws. So let's get started. I don't know how to get on Granny's computer, but I'm gonna try. I never did this. Okay, let's beep. Password. Maybe it's 1, 2, 3, 4 because old people all like to do that. 2, 3, 4. What? You're smarter than I thought, Grandma. Would you like to tell me what the password is? Tell me. Is it in your pocket? In your other pocket? Nope. Maybe it's somewhere written in this house. Don't get mad at me. I'm so tired of this. Stop. I'm gonna look for a password. We're gonna look on the bookshelves first. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's the code right there, I think. 0426. That's definitely the password. Where else would it go? Don't hunt Granny. Let's see what. Turn that off. That's gonna cause too much noise. No. Turn it on one more time. Turn it on one more time and see what happens. Go ahead. You're never watching this again. She has shooter mode, so. How do I steal it from? Okay, that's it. Nope. She turned it off at the last second. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey. Oh no, she's gonna wait for her to calm down. Hide. You okay? Okay, so 0, 4, 2, 6. Let's go, we got it. Got friends and cook recipes. Maybe it's this one. Is that me? Yep, that's definitely me. She better be only friends with me. That's also me. Well, who's that? That's not me. What? What? Why is he in the toilet? Why is he in the toilet? But still. Why is she not only friends? You traitor, Grandma. You traitor. That's what you get. Slamming you into a window. Slamming you into a wall. Don't get mad at me or I'm gonna break your computer. Let's check off the cook recipes now. Wait, is that all? Nope. Right, yes. Let's check out cook recipes. Another passcode is this one's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, it is. You're not smart. I did not know that. I'm a smart cat, that's why. Cook recipes. I went late. Please turn it off for the last time. For goodness sake. For the virtual reality. I pray to the virtual reality god. Did a ghost just turn that on? A ghost! There's a ghost in here. There's a ghost in here. Granny, there's a ghost in here. There's a ghost in... We might make a part 2 of this. Ha! Look down at the whole time. Sorry if that moment was a little quiet. Just don't be mad at me. No, turn it now on. So, this is all blank? No. Are you dumb? She is not smart even though she put a kind of good... Why are you looking at... This is the little shortest... Probably the little shortest... Little short... Get off the couch. Yeah. So, I'm gonna make a part 2 of this. Randy kind of ruined the whole part. Don't... Stop! Okay, bye.